Good morning, children. How are you all? Are you all fine? Yes. Today, in the last class, I have explained you line segment, line, ray, angle, vertex. All this, no, you have written in your classwork. Okay? All the points which I have given you. Today, we are going to do the exercise. Okay? Today, what is the date today, children? 7th. Today is 7th. Okay? Yes. Now see. Open page number 88. Page number 88. Did you all open page number 88? Yes. Start writing the fill in the blanks. A line can be extended on both sides. Yes. Line can be extended on both sides. Line segment we can't extend. But line, it has no end point. We can extend. Write true. First bit. A1, write true. T-R-U-E, true. Now, a line segment is the longest distance between 2 points. Yes, line segment is the longest distance between 2 points. Is it correct? Line segment is the longest distance between 2 points. Shortest, not is longest. It is false. False. F-A-L-S-E. False. Now, a ray can be extended in both directions. No, ray we can't extend in both directions. We can extend only in one direction. A ray cannot be extended in both the directions. In one direction only. So, it is false. It is 1. You have to write O-N-E, 1. We can extend only in one direction. Now, AB is read as line AB. How it is read as line AB. Okay. Next, PQ is this is line segment and this is line. AB line segment and this is line. Come on, write. Now go to second bit. Name the angles in the given figures. Angles. Name the angles in the given figure. Okay. Now I am going to draw the angles. Second bit, children. What about second bit? What do you have? You have two lines like this. Okay. Here. This point is known as A. This middle point you wrote as A. So, P, R, T, E. Now, how we are going to write this? Okay. First, this angle you see. How you are going to write? P, E, A. Angle P, E, A. Sorry, P, A, E. A should be, A is a middle point which joins both, no? So, A should be in the middle. P, E, A. Now, E, A, T. E, A, T. Angle E, A, T. E, A, T. Like this, angle symbol you have to put. Then, angle T, A, R. Angle T, A, R. Now, angle RAP. RAP. Come on, write. What is a B1? B1. You have a small starting line like this. You have like this. Here 2 lines. And here 1 line. That is Q, P, Q, R. This is S. Okay. Now, they are asking you to write 3 angles. One angle is, you see, children. 3 angles. P, Q, S. P, Q, S. One more is S, Q, R. SQR. Where is one more angle? See children, whenever the straight line, here the straight line angle will be formed. 180 degrees straight line angle, that is PQR. Come on, write. Yes, come on, write this neatly. Now I am going to explain you third bit. Third bit, children. Identify the vertex and arms of the angles. Yes, third bit. Q, P, R. So they are asking you to write vertex, arms, angles. Yes, vertex, arms, angles. Okay, dash. Vertex means the point where Q is a vertex. Okay, Q is a vertex. Now arms. Arms and take two hands of this. This one, this one. QP, comma, QR. These two are arms. Now angles is PQR, PQR angle. Like this you are going to put for angle. Then or angle. What angle? RQP. RQP. Okay? Come on, write. Now B1. I, T, P. So they are asking you to write here also vertex, arms, angles. What is a vertex, children? Vertex is a point where two lines join. This is I. I is a vertex. Okay? I is a vertex. Yes. Now what are two arms? PI and IT. PI and IT. Okay? PI, IT. I, children, this is I. Now what are angles? PIT. P angle PIT or TIP. Angle TIP. These two. PIT or TIP. Come on, write. Now go to C1. C1, children. C1. What do you have? M, E, N. Okay, like this. Now, here vertex is E. Arms are M, E, N, E. Then angles are only one angle, M, E, N angle or N, E, M angle, N, E, M. N, E, M angle. Okay, like this. See, ikkada form aitade angle. Both where they both points, they form an angle here. See, N, E, M or M, E, N. Okay, now D1. Like this, they gave you P, O, T. P, O, T. Vertex. What is vertex, children? O. What are arms? Arms are P, O, O, P and O, T. Angles are here they form an angle. T, O, P, angle, T, O, P or angle POT. POT. Come on, write this. Okay. Okay, children, now I am going to show you how do you measure on the scale. How do you measure a line segment, line of measure this on the scale? Yes. To measure line segment AB, keep the zero mark of the ruler scale. Yes, this scale they call it as a ruler. What do you call it as a ruler? Scale को क्या बोलते? Ruler बोलते. Yes. From here they start. Yes, like this. You have like this. Yes. Do you have line like this? Yes. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you have, no? Here you have 1. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you have 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you have on the scale, no children? Yes. Now see, I am drawing line from here. This will be in centimeters. The scale we have is in centimeters. So you see how you are going to measure. I am drawing line from here till here. What is its measure, children? Yes, line starts from 0 centimeters. This is 0, children. You have to put, whenever you start a line, you have to put your scale near 0 and measure it. Okay? See, from 0 to 4. So, the measure of the line is 4 centimeters. How you are going to write? It is in 4 centimeters. See, if you have till here, between, यहाँ तक, बीच में तक है, यहाँ पर 5 line है. तो आप like the 4.5 centimeters. Like this you are going to write. See children, you measure these three. Measure these three and write them as homework. Okay? Now, I am going to explain you about closed figures. Yes. Today we are going to learn about closed figures. Okay? Closed figures. Closed. C-L-O-S-E-D. Closed figures. Yes. Do you know closed figures, children? See, this is closed figure. It does not have open anywhere. No? It is a closed figure. And this is also a closed figure. And this is also a closed figure. Okay? Then next one is. Do you know, children, what do you call this? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? ये पिक्चर, ये शेप को क्या बोलते हैं? Do you know this? What are these shapes? Yes, this is a triangle. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Triangle. देखो इसको try बोले तो 3. Try means 3. It has 3 angles. See, 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle. So it is known as triangle. A, B, C. Like this. कितने एंगल्स है इसमें? 3. इसके लिए इसको बोलते हैं ट्रायंगल. नाउ स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर को कितने साइड्स रहते हैं? 1, 2. स्क्वायर मीन्स ऑल द 4 साइड्स आर इक्वल. ये पिक्चर को क्या बोलते हैं? जब सब कोने इक्वल है तो स्क्वायर. व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट एज? स्क्वायर. ओके. नाउ Now what is this shape children? ये दो सेम रहते हैं, ये दो सेम रहते हैं, इसको बोलते हैं रेक्टेंगल. Rectangle has opposite sides equal children. Rectangle, and this is circle. Okay? Yes. Now you see. I'm going to explain you about triangle. Yes? P, Q, R, S. M, N, O, P. Like this. So, you see. Triangle. Triangle ko, how many sides does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. How many sides? Triangle has 3 line segments, 3 sides. Yes. 3 corners, 3 angles, 3 vertices. नहीं? 3 angles है, 3 corners है, 1, 2, 3. 3 corners it has, 3 sides also it has. Yes. Named with 3 capital letters. Whenever you have to name the picture, you have to use only capital letters. Yes. Now what is it? Triangle. A, B, C. ये पिक्चर को आप क्या बोलते हैं? ट्रायंगल A, B, C. ओके. What are its sides children? Sides क्या है इसके बोलो? Sides A, B, B, C, C. देखो A, B, B, C, C. All these are sides. Now इसके vertex क्या है? वर्टेक्स बोले तो दो लाइंस कहाँ मीट होते हैं उसको बोलते हैं वर्टेक्स. टिल नाउ वी डिड द एक्सरसाइज नो. यस. वर्टेक्स क्या है इसके? सी नाउ. वर्टेक्स इज लाइक दिस. ए, बी, सी. एंगल्स दिस आर. यस. यस. और एल्स यू कैन इवन राइट एंगल ए सी बी एंगल. यहाँ पर सी आ गया तो अब सी बी ए और बी ए सी. ऑल दिस 3 वी कैन राइट एज एंगल ए, एंगल बी, एंगल सी. और तीनों को एक साथ भी लिख सकते. यस. आया समझ में? ट्रायंगल हैज 3 साइड्स, 3 वर्टेक्स, 3 एंगल्स and 3 line segments. Okay? Now we are going to learn about square. Square has how many sides children? Square has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides does a square have? Square has 4 sides. How many sides? Square has 4 sides. Okay? See, it has 4 corners. 1, 2, 4 angles. It has 4 angles, 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners, 4 sides, 4 vertex. Yes, all the 4 sides are equal. Yes, square को क्या रहता है? चारों तरफ equal रहता. नहीं? Yes. Now, what about, yes, here also whenever we name the square, we name it as with capital letters. Whenever we want to name the square, we name it with the capital letters. How we are going to do this? Square A, P, Q, R, S. Yes. Now, sides क्या है इसके देखो. P, S, sides क्या है? P, S, S, R, R, Q, Q, P. Like this. ऐसा. P, S, S, R, R, Q, Q, P. These 4 are sides. Yes. What are the angles children? You see. Angle S, angle R, angle Q, angle P. These 4 are angles. Yes. All the angles in the square are equal to 90 degrees. Yes. Square बोले तो 90 degrees angle बोले तो इसको ऐसा L रहता. Yes. यहाँ पर 90 degrees रहते. इसको बोलते 90 degrees angle. देखो स्क्वायर में सब जने L के जैसे ही है ना? नहीं? Yes. यहाँ से देखे तो R भी L यहाँ पर. फिर इसको देखे तो ఇక్కడ చూస్తే ఇక్కడ కూడా L shape. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ చూస్తే ఇది కూడా L shape. Yes, all the angles in the square are equal to 90 degrees. Okay children, this is about square. Now I am going to explain you rectangle and circle. Okay, rectangle and circle. Okay? Rectangle and circle I am going to explain you in the next class. Thank you.